Tip 19 of 21 exam success tips, written by Megan Smith. Recognize achievements by rewarding yourself of your hard work, but be honest with yourself. Remember to reward yourself of your hard work. Make a promise to yourself at the start of every day of revision that if you complete all the tasks you have set for yourself for that day, you will reward yourself in the evening. Whether that reward be to watch half an hour of your favorite television program or YouTube, read a couple of chapters of a book you are enjoying, or spend time with your family, be strict with yourself. Do not allow yourself to enjoy that reward until the hard work is done. It will be more pleasurable if you know you've earned it. Now, if you are a parent watching this, we're not necessarily talking about a bribe, because a bribe is before, it's just a promise. Well, it could be an ethical bribe, which is a promise to reward them. And then when they've done it, reward them. It's all about recognizing their effort. Yes, of course, hopefully that leads to achievement as well, which is more important to recognize. But recognize effort as well as achievement. It could be giving them, I don't know, a little gift, like money, for example, is a good one. Letting them do something that you don't usually allow. Letting them off the house chore, for example, during the exam period. In my household, the children do the washing up most of the time. They do the dishes most of the time. But we parents, we help them during the exams usually, or do more of it for them. It could be driving them to school or to somewhere you don't normally drive them to. Or it could be a big reward, like the promise of a good holiday, or driving lessons, for example. Little hugs now and then. Actually, my son sometimes give me that. It tends to usually have to come with them, as long as the hug is not done in front of their mates or when you're dropping them off school, because that can be extremely embarrassing. Yeah, we all need to, reward ourselves, do something to keep us motivated, to keep us going now and then. Shall I let you into a little secret of mine? I'm known to be a healthy eater. However, there are two things: chocolate and cheese and onion crisp. At Walker's cheese and onions crisp. Now, I love the cheese and onion crisp, but I don't eat it all the time. Like the chocolate as well, not just any chocolate. It needs to be Ferrero Rocher, either Ferrero Rocher or Lindt. Having said that, I don't eat a lot of those things. I buy a little pack of Lindt for £2 or £1.80, and it lasts me 1 week most of the time, sometimes 2 weeks, because when I eat it, I really savor every moment. Well, I shouldn't go into the emotion that I go through when I'm eating chocolate. So yeah, let's just wrap this up. The key thing is being honest with yourself. Believe me, you will enjoy it more when you've actually earned it. Make sure you cross the finishing line and get that yes fist clenched that you've done it, I've done it. So yeah, reward yourself nicely. But let me just leave you with this last phrase: reward is sweeter when you've earned it. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you in my next video.